you gotta try to fix that.
I got a story that'll waggle your balls. It's called me being the greatest, thus requires applause. I recall a dropping shit like I shattered my drawers, a big sack like Santa Claus. I'm looking for a grit cactus, passionate fag, fabulous fascist, honky garbage that be taking offense to this bad hazardous lingo that be dropped from a kiddo that makes actresses look like ass and shit, and I'm passing shit like the next level of a masochist. I'm strapping bombs around my waist just to blow up like the Taliban and shit. I eat dogs and I fry hogs. I'm Asian cause my dick is really small and I'm burning through these book pages. Cash money like bursars. I'm sicker than AIDS, flus, hepatitis, and SARS. I rattle bars, smoke rapper cigars, battling scar-padded Hispanics in bars, added to cash register cards, cause I swipe hard on these bitches. Yeah,
not sure if you can see. Did not hold, and it's currently being held in by a winch strap.
Lose money rapid like Nick Cage. A 6-gauge ring couldn't wrap around my dick, it's got a rib cage. I was chillin' when these dicks came like homos, spitting out mad phrases dumb like YOLO. It's a no-go when I get my face beaten in. They call me crater face at school, but they got beef and I got all the seasoning. Bring the pain in a sinister way, cause I strike with more blow than Kurt Cobain's brains.
Okay, so I'm here at my storage place. The shock mount just keeps breaking, so I'm just gonna cut this one off my parts truck. This one looks in much better condition. The frame isn't rotted either, so that's a plus. Woo-wee! It's finally cut. Now to go to my friend's place and get this thing fixed up. We'll weld it on. But yeah, I don't know how I'm going to be able to manage to get this section out of my truck. I don't know, I'm going to have to figure it out. So, pretty decent progress on that. All I really did was just cut out that piece. It was a bitch and a half to get to, but hopefully sooner or later I can find free time, including my friend who's the welder, to be able to take care of that so I can get the hard body running on back and running on the road. Yeah, thanks for watching that whole process of me trying to cut out another piece of the parts truck, and see you guys next time.